Hey, buddy. Hey.
Who's that?
You videoing this? You want my bag? You want my bag? Oh, he's gonna try to get in my bag. There's nothing in my bag. Look how he uses that tail. Oh my god. That tail's like an arm. Hey, buddy. He's trying to figure out how to get into it, but it's...
I guess I don't really like it.
The animals don't like it, too. Buddy? Look, he's gonna go in the bag. He's gonna go in the bag.
Huh? I heard the monkeys like to steal.
They do steal. Oh. Look at that tail. He loves to use that tail. That tail's like an arm. That is crazy.
Ooh, someone fixed my hair.
Ooh, look at those teeth. He's got some nasty teeth. Oh! The toucan is?
From where? That's where you said that we usually go, but...
I used to go. I've been there a couple times. Or once. I only been once. That is beautiful. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a toucan.
We're not gonna look at that.
I didn't think about that. Oh, wow. He's
That's
like,
it.
that's it. Oh, that's cute.
You know, I used to have a guinea pig back in high school. I think he liked me a little bit too much. Oh, look at her. She's gorgeous.
Oh.
Why,
Why,
because
you
it
like
kills?
to have sex with little kids?
The gas gave it the name.
Yeah, this is Jeffrey Dahmer.
You know, that's Jeffrey Dahmer one time. That was very cool.
Doesn't matter. It's not a lot of meat. Last one. Good one. parrot.
And she's 14 years old.
There's a parrot now. He's gonna pet you.
Don't say that.
Oh, we lost one. No, please.
That's great. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're gonna go that way. Hey, buddy. Hey, turn around. Turn, please. That's an overhead. Maybe I'll turn around. He's like, no, I want to be on this side. Giant rat.
So right there we have what you call a booty, and the booty known as the
Island
island rabbit.
rabbit.
Driving.
Oh, there's deer up there too. You walk up these stairs.
Thank you. Gracias.